Good morning everyone, what is up? Today we are starting a brand new vlog and we are going to be working on our van for the first time. So Matt is just there. Do you want to say hey?
Alright, second time actually.
Second time? Oh yeah, this is our second time working on it, but today we're going to be doing a little bit more on it than the first time, because the first time all we really did was take out like the walls and stuff. Today we're going to be changing the seat. And what else are we doing?
Changing the seat. We're going to be putting some sound deadening on. We might as well get rid of the floor.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, so we've got quite a few bits and bobs. Haven't started in a week, so I hope it starts.
Fingers crossed. I mean, we have to move it because it's not like we can really work on it when it's right up against the garage. So we usually just kind of move it here on the drive. It is a big old thing, isn't it? Always have to fold this mirror in. There he is. It is cold today, isn't it?
Oh, it's freezing.
Maybe we didn't choose the best time to work on it in the winter.
I was thinking about that.
Right, do you want to show them what's been going down? If you guys have missed the last vlog, this is the stage we are at right now. We have gotten rid of the panels on the walls. Everything's kind of in here, but we are going to take it all out today and start working on it.
Thank you to everyone who's been sending us like links of different channels and different van lifers. It's been really helpful. We've got some good ideas.
Definitely.
So keep them coming.
Yeah, keep them coming, and yeah, I guess let's just get started. I mean, the first thing,
let's do the chair.
We're doing the chair, so we have to unbolt the chair. We have ordered a new chair, haven't we? A single one to go there.
Yeah,
we didn't get the swivels yet, though, did we? Not the swivels.
Not the swivel plates yet.
But we can do that at some point later on. It's not that important right now. And yeah, we'll just be getting rid of the seat. All right, so this is the chair.
Awkward box to carry. Should open it.
Yeah, let's open it. We haven't actually seen it yet.
Yeah,
it came today.
Damaged. It's come from Poland, so.
Has it? Oh gosh, it's come a long way then.
The guy was on eBay. He was like, "You must check it with a delivery driver." I'm like, "I'm not checking it with a delivery driver. It's so awkward."
Yeah, that is awkward. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it'll be fine.
Yeah, I mean the box isn't damaged, so I don't see any reason why.
Should be okay.
It's a used chair. It's obviously not new.
Yeah, the reason we wanted to get a single chair is obviously because when we have the van like this, we want to be able to walk through it because there's not going to be a wall or anything separating it. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh god, maybe tilt it the other way. Wait, hang on, I can't do this.
Alright, I'll lean it over.
Yeah, lean it over. What are you doing? Just turn it upside down and it will come out. The whole box. Oh my god, this is not.
Pull the box off.
I can't. Hang on. It's stuck. I can't. I actually can't. Wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go! Ah! One of the staples went into my finger.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that was a task. First task.
You've got polystyrene everywhere.
Oh no! Alright, so here is the chair. It actually looks brand new. It doesn't look used at all, does it?
Yeah, it looks fine. You've even got an armrest.
Wow. Wait, I'm going to sit on it. Film me. I need to test if it's comfortable.
Go on
We're
then.
ready.
Is that it? Is
Wait,
it?
I feel like I'm going to... Okay, that's fine. It does lean back a bit. Yeah, that's good. That's comfy.
Alright.
Better than the two-seater, actually, I think.
Also, we'll show you the Christmas lights a bit later when it gets dark.
Yeah, a little sneak peek.
We went all out this year.
We did.
Let's get the twin seats out then.
Oh god, that's gonna be a task, I think.
Yeah.
It sounds so easy, but I think it's gonna take a while. Alright, so the good thing about the chairs is that they do just flip up, so it makes it really easy to access, so you can actually unbolt it.
Yeah, I can get to the bolts at the front a lot easier now.
Yeah. So we are basically trying to do the chair, and the excitement has very quickly faded, hasn't it?
The first task. We've run into a big problem. We can't undo the bolts for the chair.
It sounds ridiculous, but it's actually so hard to undo it.
So they are very hard, but it's fine. With this paired with this, like that, right?
You've got enough leverage.
We've got enough leverage, but the actual mechanism inside this tiny little, wrench is turning. So it's turning, but it's not undoing the bolt.
Yeah.
So it's not strong enough, which is fine. There's a bigger one, but there's no adapter between the two.
Yeah, it's just a nightmare. We haven't got the tools.
I know. I've actually got a wrench like this, but it's about 2 foot long. Like it would do that.
Yeah.
But I can't find it, so I'm gonna move on to other things.
Yeah, we'll come back to that another day.
Yeah, we'll come back to it in this vlog, but probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll just have to either find that wrench or
buy a new one. Yeah, but it's just a nightmare. These bolts are just, I mean, for good reason they are very tight, because obviously it's safety, but
this is like the Halfords Advanced kit.
Yeah.
And you know, this paired with this is just not strong. It won't do it.
Yeah. So we're just going to move on to something else. We're going to move on to not insulating. What is it? Soundproofing.
We're going to do sound deadening.
Yeah.
Which takes away a lot of the echoey noises.
And rattle.
We're going to take off the floor
as well. We'll take off the floor. And I think that's all we can really do for today.
That was a fail.
Yeah. So someone suggested that because we won't be needing the bulkhead of the van, we should probably like list it on eBay and just get a bit of money. So we're just going to take a picture.
Yeah.
List it on eBay.
So thanks for the tip on that. And we'll probably do the same with the twin front chairs too. Alright.
One screw out.
These boxes are coming off for good. Yeah. We might put them back in at a later stage.
Yeah,
because they're a good
measurement for it.
Yeah.
They don't take up too much space. And then this one as well.
What is there, 2 screws? Yeah.
Alright, so now that we've taken the boxes off, we're gonna do the floor.
Gonna get the floor up. Let's go.
So the floor is off and we are sniffling so much, aren't we? Because it's so cold outside.
We are, but the floor is a bit gross.
It's a bit gross, it's a bit mucky and muddy, but that's fine. We have to clean it, obviously.
Yeah.
And we'll insulate it and it'll be top notch.
Also, I forgot, this is a new microphone.
Yeah.
So I should sound as loud from the back as I do from the front.
Hopefully.
Because usually it's like this from the back.
Yeah, it's always really like quiet.
So, alright, we've got to give this a little clean as well, I guess.
Yeah. So this is probably not the most glamorous job.
No.
Look at the way I'm dressed. I've got like gloves, scarf. I had to take my coat off because it was too long. It was just dragging behind.
And in other news, I've been taking these off and I've just sheared off. I don't know if you can see that, but that's completely sheared off.
That's not good.
So yeah.
Looks like we're going to Screwfix to get some new bits.
Yeah, and to be honest with you, we started late today. We're losing daylight, so after we've cleaned up, we'll probably start again first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
Where we'll do the sound panels and give it another go at the chair.
Yeah, today's a write-off. Everything went wrong.
But at least we'll have a clean van and the floor will be out.
Alright guys, so we have cleaned the floor. That was a task, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's filthy. I'm just drying it now.
Yeah.
But so the sun's basically gone down. So we'll leave it there for today.
Yeah.
Catch you first thing in the morning. Hopefully we get up a bit earlier this time.
Yes, and we will show you guys what our Christmas lights look like tomorrow night.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so it is now the next day and we're feeling a little bit rough, aren't we?
I've got a little bit of a croaky voice. Anyway,
yeah.
we got the part we needed last night. It's not as big as I wanted it to be.
But
it's twice the size of the other one.
We did try it and it does actually move the bowl, so that's a good start.
I think this was rated to 110 Newton meters or something, but let's give it a go. It did move once, so
yeah, let's see. I'm really hoping it's gonna work.
I mean, yeah, this is the one I've just loosened, right? Yeah, so that one's fine.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Oh god. There's a bit of plastic there. Why would you build a chair like that?
Oh no.
That's so annoying. You're literally gonna have to break that bit of plastic off to get to the bowl.
Oh, well, unless we can pop it. We can pop it out.
Oh, can
I
you?
need some pliers.
Oh, I've got another one over here. You go.
It's working. Well, that one's stiff, innit?
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Oh,
there you go. You just need the right tool for the right job.
yeah.
There you go. All good.
That was easy, that one.
Oh, thank
The first
God.
one I was literally like this.
I know. You were making all kinds of noises.
I know. But yeah, alright, we got there. Let's remove that plastic. We've managed to push this out of the way a little bit. But actually I don't think I need to undo that one because it doesn't look like that's actually keeping the frame in. So we're going to undo this, undo a bunch of others.
And see if it moves.
Yeah.
Alright, so finally we have undone all the bolts.
So it
and
should.
this is the moment. Okay. Oh my God. You might have to come in.
So the seat belt is still attached.
Oh yeah, we gotta get rid
Oh,
of the
hold
seat belt. Alright, seats out. I actually can't believe it.
Yeah.
We finally did it.
There we go.
Hey.
Got somewhere to sit whilst we're working
Oh
there.
yeah. Nice little bench.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, can I sit here whilst I watch you work?
I'd rather do it the other way around.
Alright. So now what? I guess we're putting the single chair in, huh?
Well, once we put the single chair in, I have no idea how we're going to finish this trim off.
Oh dear, oh dear.
The trim's made for 2 seats.
Yeah, that might be an issue.
It's going to be very hard.
Alright guys, chair is finally going in. Moment of truth. Does it fit?
Oh yeah.
Hey!
Perfect
that looks
fit.
good,
Yeah.
isn't it?
We've removed that from the middle, this
Yeah.
piece, but there's still a lot of finishing work to do, isn't there?
Yeah, let me show them. So as you guys can see, we have now acquired a little bit of a walkway to get through, but also it doesn't look the best.
No.
I don't really know how we're going to finish this off because we don't want to replace the whole floor mat over there, but it doesn't look the best, does it?
No, don't know how we're going to finish that off yet.
If you guys have any suggestions or any van lifers you watch that might have tackled this problem, let us know.
Yeah, definitely. It's just...
we have no clue about that.
But let's bolt the chair in and do the sand paneling.
Yeah.
Alright, so the seat is in. We're just going to get some noodles,
Yeah.
aren't we?
Just to warm up. Because honestly, it's so cold. You guys can probably like see the steam from the food. Yeah, it's really, really cold. But it's good because then we don't get overly hot like when we're working. But I am very cold.
That's the thing I hate about doing these sort of projects in the summer is that you get too hot.
True.
Whereas
yeah.
in the winter it's cold when you start, but once you start working, you're good.
So now we are off our break.
Yeah.
And we're going to move on to this.
We've got our sound deadening here.
Yep.
So basically, I think,
Are they just
It just sticks
self-adhesive?
on.
Yeah.
and the aim is to cover about 50% of the van.
Yeah.
Obviously don't put it where we're putting the windows.
Yeah, avoid that. And you can put it on the roof as well, can't you?
Yeah, roof, walls.
And
yeah.
this just prevents like the rattling,
Yeah.
noises, you know, the metal.
Just, it deadens the sound.
Yeah.
And really, we should be taking off like these panels and putting it in there as well.
Yeah, we will.
So yeah, let's get to it. So we've done quite a bit of the sound deadening now. We have more to do, but because we've lost daylight, we're
Yeah.
going to do it off camera and you can catch that in the next video. But why don't we show our Christmas lights?
Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so this is our Christmas lights this year. If you guys have watched our vlog channel for a while, you'll know that we kind of, each year as it progresses, as we progress in this house, we just get more and more decorations.
Yeah.
But yeah, this year we've done like, well, a little bit more than usual, haven't we? Like we've got this, hanging from the tree.
Oh yeah, are they on?
We've got the reindeer in the bag, it's blow up, which is
Got
pretty
the-
great.
The small reindeer here.
Oh yeah, we
That
had
reindeer.
last
So there's
year.
3 This is the reindeer area.
This is the, yeah, oh my god, you're right, it is 3 reindeers. And then we've got these little stars on the floor.
Annoyingly, the car's parked there at the moment, but
I know.
that always looks good with those 2
Yeah, it
conifers
does.
done.
And actually this year, I forced Matt to actually hang this like really long garland / wreath thing. And he was like, oh god, this is going to be so long, how are we going to do this? And in the end, we just put like little hooks in the grout of the brick.
Yeah.
And it looks really good, I think.
Yeah, just so you know, not every vlog is going to be a van vlog. Like, we'll have some ordinary vlogs in between. So if you're not into the van content, you can skip those and watch the vlogs in between.
Yeah.
But we're going to at least do one every other week. Occasionally one a week if we can.
Yeah, we will definitely try and keep you guys updated with everything we do on the van. We're just really excited about this project. We've been wanting to do it for ages. So that is everything for today's vlog.
Yeah, so that's it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.